Our real-world project example is constructing a two-level, one-bathroom home without a basement. Assume that the bathroom is on the second level. Of course, please remember that this is not a civil engineering course that prepares you for home construction. So, we are not going to pretend that we know how exactly a home is built. Rather, we will present the project associated with building a home in an intuitive and non-technical manner, which makes sense to someone without detailed technical knowledge and appreciation of home construction. First, we will develop a WBS for our home construction project. Recall that the WBS, or work breakdown structure, breaks down work into deliverables and eventually into work packages. Let us suppose that there are 4 key deliverables: pre-build, foundation, build, and post-build. We now decompose each deliverable further as shown, the gray nodes being work packages. Remember that, for the purposes of the WBS, we will not break these work packages down any further. Remember that work packages represent the point in the WBS decomposition at which the project manager believes effective estimation, tracking, and control can be done. The 2 yellow nodes are not work packages because the project manager sees a need to decompose them further into 4 work packages as shown: kitchen, lower level, bathroom, and upper rooms. This is our WBS, which has 4 deliverables and 11 work packages. Work packages are the gray nodes. The WBS captures all the work at a high level, meaning that it shows the major chunks of work associated with each deliverable. Note that the minute details of the work are not shown in the WBS. For example, this WBS does not make clear what is done in the formalities work package or in the finishing work package, but that is okay. When we get to scheduling, we will address how work packages themselves break down into activities which constitute the work details associated with work packages. A note of caution: the term WBS is often used, somewhat loosely speaking, to refer to even a very detailed depiction of work, far more granular than the work packages. Conceptually speaking, this is incorrect. And remember that if you're planning on taking the PMP certification exam. Using the term WBS to refer to all the gory details of work is more of a colloquial and roughly right use of the term WBS. For example, many users of Microsoft Project refer to the activities entered in Microsoft Project as constituting the WBS, and that, strictly speaking, is not quite right. The WBS, in its purest conceptual sense, is high level and is intended to assure the project manager and the project team that all major categories of work have been identified at a high level, not at the most detailed and granular level. Skipping the WBS and jumping right into all the details and minutiae of work is risky and likely to increase the chances of failing to identify some important details. Using a WBS as an intermediate step towards those details and ensuring that the WBS is complete at a high level is likely to lower the odds of failing to identify subsequent details.